In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Asana. Easy, 5 minutes. We're going to connect Asana to Zapier so you can automate tasks without any complicated setup. By the end, you'll have Asana listed under your Zapier connections and be ready to build a workflow. Start by signing into your Zapier account and landing on the dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct Zapier login for your team or organization, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. This helps avoid permission mix-ups later. Next, head to App Connections on the left side of your Zapier dashboard. This is where you manage all the apps Zapier can talk to on your behalf. Think of it as your central hub for authorizing services. Click Add Connection. Zapier will prompt you to pick the app you want to connect. In the search box, type Asana, then click Asana from the results to continue. You'll see an option to add connection again. Click it to start the secure authorization process. Zapier will open a new window or tab and take you to Asana. If you aren't already signed into Asana, log in now. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow that flow. If you belong to multiple Asana workspaces, double-check you're in the right one for the automations you plan to build. Asana will ask you to grant permission for Zapier to access your data. Review the access details and click Allow. This is the secure OAuth process that lets Zapier create and read tasks as needed for your workflows. You can revoke this access anytime from either Asana or Zapier if you change your mind. After you allow access, return to Zapier. You should now see Asana listed under your connected accounts. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a second or refresh the page. If you work across multiple Asana workspaces, it can be helpful to label the connection clearly so you know which is which. With the connection ready, you can start building a Zap or workflow. Choose a trigger and an action that fit your process, like creating an Asana task when a form is submitted, or posting a message when a task is completed. You don't have to build the entire automation now. The key is that your Asana connection is active and ready to use. If you run into issues, check for pop-up blockers, ensure you're in the correct Asana workspace, and confirm you have the necessary permissions. That's it. Your Asana account is connected to Zapier and you're set to automate with confidence.